Okay, so I'm trying to put the fucking HD cable on my PS3, and it doesn't want to work. Well, I'm not sure why. Like I got the cable thingy in there, and it's going in there too. And PS3's off. Turn it on. Wait for the fucking thing, the slow thing to start up. Do 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 do. Yes, I know it's PlayStation 3. Come on. See, look, it doesn't give me the option to use it, which is a bit annoying. Since the quality is shit, and my TV will work. So if I think it's here. Yeah. And if I grab my remote and HD. See, HDMI. And it should go, yep. No signal. See? And it's on the HD channel. So if you know how to fix that, please let me know.